Most B2B channels edit their videos like they're still stuck in 2021. Flashy transitions, punch-ins every 3 seconds, animated text flying all over the screen, or even worse, they're not editing their videos at all. Here's the problem with either approach. Buyers are way more sophisticated than you think. They don't need fancy editing. They want information clearly laid out for them so that they can make a buying decision. I'm Ryan, and I've made YouTube videos that have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. And after analyzing what actually converts B2B prospects into buyers and studying what's actually working on YouTube right now, I've crafted an editing approach that's already working and will continue to work into 2026. And it's very different from what most creators are doing right now. In this video, I'm going to show you the new way to edit B2B YouTube videos that actually book sales calls, why simple edits beat flashy edits every time, and the exact 3-effect system that makes your content both professional and scalable. So the first thing you need to understand is that there's a mindset shift that comes from editing from B2C to B2B. Most videos on YouTube are B2C. That means it's meant to attract a consumer. People who watch B2B videos are just more sophisticated than people who watch B2C videos, and that's totally fine. Most people are consumers and they will buy based off emotions. But in the case of B2B buyers, they're gonna buy based off logic. They're gonna look at their finances. They really need to be nurtured before they're gonna make any kind of buying decision. So when you're making YouTube videos for these people, you really have to consider where they're coming from. If you have their attention, it's because you promise to solve a painful problem. I'm gonna show you some editing styles that help you just simply get your information across so that the viewer, who's gonna be some decision maker with money, they're gonna get all the information that they need to make a buying decision. We don't need to hack attention, we just need to solve problems. So we're gonna talk about a streamlined production process that doesn't burn out your team. It makes it easier for editors to learn and replicate your style, and we're going to have a sustainable content system versus overproduction that's gonna kill your momentum and make you actually wanna quit posting on YouTube. So we're gonna talk about the 3 effects that you need. Literally, you only need 3 very basic effects for your editor to follow, which will be great for B2B videos. And the first one is the full background effect. That's when you focus on a primary visual, just like this. And you use this when you want your viewer to focus on something specific. That way, 100% of the attention is on that one thing. So how do you do this? Well, you literally just do background of whatever branding colors make the most sense for your brand, and then you do text or some kind of visual on screen. So it doesn't just have to be texting. It could be an animation that visualizes a complex topic that you're talking about. So let's just say I'm talking about the YouTube sales funnel. I'm going to put a funnel on screen that shows from top of funnel to middle of funnel to bottom of funnel what kinds of videos I make in order to progress a viewer from top of funnel of awareness to bottom of funnel, just they're ready to buy from me. Super simple, right? So effect number 2 are the 50-50 slides. So on the screen right now is a 50-50 slide, a split screen showing you, one side is me on camera, the other side is going to be a blank screen or blank background, but there's opportunity to put text or other visuals there as well. And these are great to do because it maintains a personal connection. So you can see information, but you can also see the speaker on camera as well. So there's that personal connection showing I'm still here, I am talking to you, you can see my face. Psychologically builds trust between me and the viewer. And you want to transition to this effect when you're presenting client results, frameworks, or any other data that's going to support your teaching points. And then the final edit is text on screen. So this is when you put on clean, professional text that overlays and highlights key information. So that could be like statistics, URLs, or any other important points that I'm mentioning right now, but I'm keeping myself fully on camera with the text there. And we want to use this intentionally for when we have statistics, when I want to show you, hey, here's a website you can visit, or any key takeaway. Just make sure to keep the text really simple, no more than a sentence length at a time. Make sure it's readable. One really great tip is that, let's say there's white text here. A cool thing you can do is just put a shadow behind it so that it can stand out against the background. So right now, this might start to sound a bit overwhelming. I'm giving you all these editing effects, and we're talking about B2B buyer sophistication. You may know you want to post these kind of videos, or you've been posting videos without any kind of editing. And even though these edits are pretty simple, maybe it's just a bit too much for you right now. You're too busy, or you really just don't want to learn how to do editing. So if that's the case, I want you to click the link in the description of this video. I have a team of editors who are trained to help you edit in this exact style that I'm talking about right now. So when you click on the link in the description, you'll be taken to a landing page where you can book a call with me. We'll chat one-on-one, see if it makes the most sense for us to work with with you to help you with the editing of your videos so that you can start adding 10, even 30 sales calls a month to your business, because that's really what it takes. It takes consistency on YouTube for a couple of months, and then you're going to start seeing these booked calls come in. So again, click the link in the description. Let's see if it makes sense for us to work together. But if you want to keep learning how to edit for your B2B videos, go ahead and keep watching this video. We need to really talk about one of the most important aspects of editing, and that's having a strategic cutting philosophy. Honestly, 80% of the video is choosing what to keep inside of the video. Every single editing choice should support the conversion goal, right? The outcome is a filter. We want to filter out anything that isn't adding to the video or not getting people over to the end goal. We only want to keep inside the video what helps viewers reach the promised result. So when you're making cuts, just think about this. Any excess stories or details that don't actually add to the message, cutting out any mistakes or word flubs, cutting out the pauses, but most importantly, making sure that we're guiding the viewer from point A to point Z in the video, helping them solve the one punchy problem that they clicked on the video for in the first place. And speaking of punchy, you might think, okay, when I'm making my cuts, should I do the punch ins and punch outs that I always see in a lot of YouTube videos? And the answer is no. It actually feels kind of gimmicky to a professional audience. We don't need to punch in on me to make it seem like there's a second camera angle. Whenever you make a cut, just leave it in the same place, kind of like this. However, if you want to emphasize a point, you can do a cut in at the end of sentences when you really want to make sure that the last thing that you mention is that important. That is the only time that the punch in will be effective, kind of like this. Now, there is one alternative way to edit these videos in such a way where you don't really need to do a ton of editing at all, except for the basic cuts, ins and outs. And that's by using the screen share strategy for B2B videos. So the proven formula looks like this. For the first 30 to 60 seconds, you want a visually engaging hook. Now, I'm not saying you go crazy with the editing, like nothing that's so insane and flashy that's going to make, someone have a headache and click off the video and never hear from you again. You want to do something like I did in this video in the first 30 to 60 seconds, where there's some simple animations to help visualize the concepts that I'm going to talk about in the video, and then really simple cuts, and that's it. Then you transition into either the 3 effect style or strategy that I just told you about, or you get into a full-on screen share after that. And this works because at this point in the video, people are already excited to, learn more from you or hear more from you, that just putting the information out there, they understand from the hook that you're going to solve the problems in the rest of the video. So if you're asking yourself, what do I even screen share then? Well, you can use Loom to screen share a Miro board where you're drawing on it, or you already have like a visual board to show problem solved. I've done this in other videos, and in other videos, I've also done Gamma docs. And Gamma is really cool because I can take a script, I can literally put it into Gamma, and it's going to create a presentation for me. I just do a little bit of editing, and then the video is ready to go. And what I'll do is either a Loom screen share of Gamma doc, or I'll put myself on the side with it, and then the Gamma doc on the other side, and then present it where it's almost like a 75%, 25% split screen. So you really have 2 choices here. You can either do the 3-step editing strategy, or you can do screen share. As long as the hook is really engaging, that's really all you need. And this helps maintain the engagement throughout the video without all the gimmicky editing. So that's the new way to edit YouTube videos for B2B viewers that will work and book more calls for you right now and through 2026. Stop editing like you're trying to compete with Mr. Beast. Your audience doesn't want entertainment. They want information presented professionally so they can make buying decisions. When you use this 3-effect editing strategy with strategic cutting and outcome-focused screen shares, your video will build trust instead of confusion, authority instead of distraction. And the result is you will book more qualified prospects on calls because they're going to be watching your videos longer, researching your credibility, and ultimately booking calls and landing deals with you. But here's the reality. Having a simplified editing approach still takes time. And most coaches and agencies that I talk to, they don't have 10+ hours a week to stare at their screen working on the video editing. That's why I built my Done For You video production system. We handle the packaging, the strategy, and the editing that is optimized for B2B conversion. All you have to do is film your videos for 1 to 2 hours per month. We'll take care of everything else so that your videos can work as 24/7 salespeople without you having to spend a ton of time behind the computer. So if you want videos that book calls for you instead of just getting views, click the first link in the description below to learn how our Done For You system can help build a YouTube sales funnel. And if this editing approach resonates with you, subscribe for more strategies on creating B2B content that converts prospects into paying clients. Don't forget to check out the link in the description of the video, and I'll see you on the next one.